Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread cinnamon rolls. First, let's prepare our dough. You will need 3 ripe bananas, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and active dry yeast. Begin by activating 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast in 1/2 cup of warm milk with a pinch of sugar. Then, combine this with the flour, 1/4 cup of mashed banana, and other ingredients to form a soft dough. Knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth. Now, let's create that delicious banana bread filling. Mash 3 ripe bananas with 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Next, roll your prepared dough into a large 12 by 18-inch rectangle on a lightly floured surface. Spread 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter evenly across the entire dough. Finally, sprinkle the banana cinnamon mixture generously over the butter, leaving a small border around the edges. With your filling in place, it's time to roll and bake. Tightly roll the dough into a log, starting from the longer 18-inch side. Then, carefully cut the log into 12 equal 1 1/2 inch thick rolls. Arrange these rolls in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring a little space between each. Let them proof in a warm spot for 30 to 45 minutes until they have doubled in size. The final touch is a luscious glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aromatic finish. Once your banana bread cinnamon rolls are warm from the oven, generously drizzle this creamy glaze over them. Serve these delightful treats immediately and enjoy this wonderful twist on a classic breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.